Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can design a logo on Canva. Now for those of you that actually missed my first video where I talked about how you can create a Canva account and how you can navigate Canva, please you can check the description in this video to learn more about how you can navigate Canva. So to design a logo on Canva, the first thing you need to do is you open your Canva app. For those of you that are using the app, you open your Canva app, or for those of you that is using that will be using the website. So you go to canva.com. In case you're using the website and you're not using the app, you go to the website canva.com, you sign in. So the reason why this is showing is because I'm already signed in already. So what you need to do is you can see where they write what will you design today. So you put, for instance, let's say you want to design a food logo. You say, let's say you want to design a restaurant logo. So you say restaurant logo. Yes, so restaurant logo. So we trigger the search button. So from the search button you can see different logos that has to do with what you are looking for. So let's say you now decided to take any of these ones. Like this one it's a pro feature, so you need to purchase, you need to subscribe for pro features to use these other ones. So let's say we want to choose these as our logo, or let's choose this. So we'll click on this. So you allow it to load. You click on customize this template. Let's say remember we're creating a logo for a restaurant business or for an eatery. So it opens like this. So you can see, so all what you just need to do is you just change the name to whatever name you want. Then you can also change the colors if you want to change the colors. So for this, let's say the name of my eatery business or restaurant is Fathers. So let's say Fathers. So write Fathers. So you can see Fathers. Let's say restaurant. Let's say Father Restaurant. Yes. Okay, restaurant. So we have it like that. Now we want to drag this like this, so it looks very nice. So like this. Now this is a default template, right? So this is my logo. Then maybe I want to change color. You just come, you click on this icon that is here. You change the color to whatever color I want to change it to. Let's say we're using blue. You come to this also. You change the text color. Let's say blue. Then this, let's say blue also. So you can see. So already we have our logo here. If you want to increase it, we highlight and we drag a bit to increase. We move it a bit. Yes, so already have. So that's a simple logo. You understand? Now if you want to design further, you can add a new page. Let's say business logo. Let's just say business logo. You search here in this tab. You search here. So you can see different logos that are here. So you can decide to drag this to your created page. Then you can edit the name to any name you want to edit it to. Right? You can edit it to any name you want to. So you can edit to any name you want to. So that's how to design a logo. But in a situation whereby you actually want to design your own logo and you don't want to use any of the templates, then you can, let's say, add new page. There we can start designing. So what you make use of is your element. So you start bringing in the element you want to use from your logo. So let's want to design a fresh logo from start. So we have something like this. Drag, let's make this blue. I don't know, I just love the color blue. So let's say this is blue. can still go to element, let's say car. Let's say for instance it's a car logo you want to design. So you look for, click on graphics, you show you different cars, you pick the one that best match what you want to do. So we selected this one, so put it there. Then the next thing will be text. So let's say father cars. Let's say father cars. Okay, let's say father's auto, rather autos. So we can drag this here, can take this to the top and reduce, click here to reduce, bring it to here. We can see it, click here to reduce the font size, then you click here to change the text color, can say white. Remember this just so you can see we have something like this. You can change the color of this to maybe red to fit. So we have something like this. So creating logo is very simple, depending on what you actually have in mind to create. Creating logo is very easy on Canva. So it just depends on what you want to create. Remember, to create the logo, you just have to, when you go to your home page, you can just select the kind of logo you want to design, and they'll bring a lot of templates for you. So you can say construction logo, construction logo. You can see a lot of construction logos. So yours is just to drag. Let's add a new page and drag this. So just you edit your image, and if you don't like any of the elements, you can bring in your own element to make it. So it's as easy as that. So once you are satisfied with the logo, the colors, and what you need to do, so you come to share, click share, click on download. Now you select PNG. This for this suggested PNG, so you leave that PNG. Then you see all pages, because we created different pages for those logos. That's why I'm showing all pages. But if you want to delete if you want to download just a particular, you can just download the current page, or you can download all of them to your device, right? So that's how to design a logo. It's as easy as ABC. If you want more tutorials on Canva, kindly comment what you want to learn on Canva, and I'll make the video on how to do that. Once again, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Thank you.